Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Our Paul Messin will be one of Arsenal legends. Don't come as I call to talk about the match where Arsenal will play against Leicester City. So back on the talk say he gets some bad habits where Arsenal needs to drop. It gets where they don't do in the past. I will say back on the talk they say Arsenal need to stop conceding first in their matches again, because when you check the recent matches where Arsenal don't play, they played against Aston Villa, they conceded first. They played against Man City, they conceded first. They played against Manchester United, they conceded first. Say this new practice we need to stop them, because our defense then they panic. You get, if not for panic, why we not going to concede first? In the first half of the season, when we played the first 19 games, we were like the second best defensive team in the league behind Newcastle. But now we don't come up for our second position, we're like maybe third or fourth now. You get, so it don't make sense. So back on the talk say, if you want to be title champions, you get, if you want to win your matches, make sure you score first. Once you don't score first, then you go play with one kind of confidence. You get, they exude one kind mad spirit of progress. You get, you go make sense. You get, if Arsenal they play moving forward. So I believe say them they listen to all these things, and the players they listen to all these things, because this advice or more all of fag. So away from that, so Brendan Rodgers come aside for his own media conference where they do ahead of the match against Arsenal. So you can talk about the similarities between the Arsenal title challenge and their own title challenge where they win for Leicester. I think so. We done in 2018 and far back in Gosha. So Baba can talk say, they're very easy, because now going to try on our best. Say Arsenal did that phase now, we say they are very, very excited because they never win the title for a very long time. They have that burning desire to come and win it. To get, say no, but now everything will be clear for your eye. Now that kind maybe 10 matches to go, 5 matches to go. At that time you can't see that pressure, which they call mad pressure, because that time you're going to smell the title, you're going to smell them, and God can't do it for us. Maybe because they give like second a big gap, it could do very, very good to stabilize us. But if we can't drag with Man City, like maybe 1 or 2 points, that pressure would be too much, would be immense. Get, so at the end of the day it can affect us. But him because the talk say he see Arsenal going all the way and winning the title, because they have that consistency and they have that burning desire again. But at the same time, in the hope saying team go fit dent our title challenges, which we say no to that. Get, we are coming to the King Power Stadium to collect our 3 points, to accumulate and add up to our points that will take us to the destination we want to go. So we'll just see how today's match will be. Also, Paul Messi himself come as I call it, say Arsenal go win this Leicester City 3-2. Say na your own prediction we in the see for today match. You can say the match will be high scoring encounter, because Arsenal they leaky at the defense at this moment. They not really they keep clean sheets. So for him, he's seen Arsenal beating them 3-2, because it's going to be an end-to-end stuff. You get, the match will be very, very exciting. It will sweet. You get, because Leicester know the team where they keep 10 men behind the ball, unless maybe now like 2 minutes to go, maybe 88 minutes, and they'll come pack the balls. But say from the get-go at the King Power Stadium, when they don't knock Tottenham Hotspur 4-2, they put a 10 man behind, but they're not going to knock Spurs 4-2 now. So for that place, they did very, very good. They knock Spurs 4-2, blessed they knock Aston Villa 4-2. Like they are playing very, very well. You get, so now only Manchester United can knock the one at 3-0. So for against us, they're going to fancy their chances of winning, even though one of their star men made this noble play. So as it be, we'll just see how the match go end. So we'll just keep our fingers crossed. Even Chris Sutton himself will be one of the media personalities out there, is a pundit. Instead of come as I talk, say in the C 3-1 for this match, Arsenal winning Leicester 3-1. Well, what's been our own prediction yet? Because me at 2-0 at the C. So what's been our own prediction? Let me know in the comment section. So by the media setting, when they ask Arteta about the title race, say whether in the sea a 2-horse race where people they talk, or be in the sea many other people waiting inside the horse race. So I'm not going to say for him, no be only Arsenal they go for this title. Let's say there are also many other people where they're interested in winning this title. I didn't mention names, so but me I know say Manchester United did there. You can't rule them out. They are very, very consistent as of late. Get, after that match where they lose against us, how many matches they don't lose again? So they are a bit consistent, so you can't rule them out. So I think it is between Arsenal Man City and Manchester United, even though now we they lead the pack. At least we're like 5 points ahead of Manchester United with an outstanding match. We're like 2 points ahead of Man City with an outstanding match. So outstanding match, now still match one, we'll play Everton. After the Everton, nobody outstanding match again. You get even this Manchester United, I think they have a match against Liverpool that have been postponed because this weekend they play cup final with Newcastle. So once we play our own game now, we will equal on games with this Manchester United. So we'll just watch as everything will go. I don't put my own prediction. What will be your own prediction? Arsenal don't draw Sporting Lisbon for the Europa League. You get, for case of those who know they are aware. So we'll play the away leg first. You get, I think this match now that kind of April. I think that April now we'll play maybe. Even a match of April, I'll still go check my calendar. So we'll play the first leg, then the second leg we'll come plan for the Emirates, and we get this Emirates second leg because we done already there for round of 16, then go play playoffs. So they were waiting on. So that's one of the privileges you get of being seeded. You get, so that's how we expect them. Now I can't get one statistics we come as I talk. So we don't play this Sporting Lisbon for 2018. You get, but from what we see from the 2018 we don't play against them, according to some of the players we play for that match. Now only 2 of them waiting for the first 11. Nicely the Arsenal bench, but we'll see names like Welbeck, Iwobi, Smith-Rowe, Mkhitaryan. We'll see Guendouzi, Ramsey, Jenkinson, Holding, Socrates, Papadopoulos, Liz China, and Peter Cech. So these are the guys who we used to go play that time for 2018, even though we played 0-0 for that match. But today, this one, we don't get them again for 2023. So we are having a different squad entirely. So we'll just watch as the match will go down. But the match we'll go play today get against this Leicester, and then we'll start our 7 games in 23 days again, because we get many games so they come thick and fast, and we'll play every 3 to 4 days, and so the match will be. So just they pray make this one no come winking our players get. If you lose, you know we'll get any time to recover, but if you win, that momentum will just, as in make the games they come quick and fast. And the sweet thing is say these 7 games so they play, apart from the Europa League double header, you get these 7 games so we'll go play, it is very sweet to get. It make a whole lot of sense. I mean the Europa League now match we will play I get, but I never know match the particular dates. I don't forget, I don't knock my head. So these 7 games now, sweet games, so we say they are all winnable. You get, on paper they are all winnable, but you know as football be now, upsets will go happen, but the pray say upset no go happen to us. So let's move on. So even Akanji will be one of the Man City defenders. Don't come and say I call it talk. Say the EPL race is not yet over. I guess they're waiting for Man City. They get this mad confidence. Say they go fit collect the league for our hand. They call the talk say, no, we don't forget. Say we never play for the Etihad. We say, hey, so they get confidence. Say we come the Etihad. They go collect all 3 points because it is very important for them to do that, because they play in front of their home fans. Get so, but our own prayer be say, we just amass a lot of points and give them a lot of gap before we go meet them for Etihad. Because me, I'm of the opinion say if we still lose for Emirates, if we still lose for Etihad and still go up and win the title, now my own opinion be that. So we just watch as everything will be. The FA don't fine Arsenal £65,000 for that thing we will do for the match against Arsenal and Man City. They say now disorderly conduct. They say Arsenal fail to organize their players. They don't gang up upon the referee, the shouts, all those kinds of things. Say it is not allowed. They can't fine Man City 75,000, just £10,000 difference again, because Arsenal no appeal the judgment, Man City no appeal the judgment. Even when they give us the charge, we no appeal them again. So it is what it is. This is like our 4th charge or so, or fine. Yeah, I know it is what it is. Sure. Arteta said for the media conference, called the talk say Arsenal need to be at their best to beat this Leicester City, because they did very good for their home. This home where they call the King Power Stadium. For year, they did very good. Especially when you see the likes of Kelechi and Acho, they rejuvenated, because this guy in the past now benching day. I don't know what this is, because they languish for the relegation battle. So they can say okay, make them rejig the squad. They can't bring in Kelechi and Acho, come bench a whole Jamie Vardy, bench a whole Patson Daka. They can't play here and Acho, and the guy can't give up the goods. Every match will give goal, give assist. They perform very well. He's in form right now, so they play very well. So I think I can't talk say if you watch the match against Leicester and Tottenham Hotspur and knock Tottenham Hotspur, we know say Leicester at home they are a very dangerous side. And at the same time, when you watch the match them play against Aston Villa, you see how good they were. And you can't watch the match them play against Manchester United. In fact, in the first half, Leicester could have been 2 to 3 goals up if not for the abilities of De Gea. We can't save Manchester United. Because me, I watched that match and I subscribe to a line of thought say Leicester supposed to knock Manchester United, and just De Gea and I saved them. So against us, we have to be very as in with the discipline you get, And this our Ramsdale guys do what they gotta do. They have to save us because they go really pepper us. The match could be end-to-end stuff. Just be like that Aston Villa match will play or win 3-2. That match could have swung either way. Aston Villa for free beat us to get. Look at those chances where they don't commit to get. Jamba. Come on, we just get luck for that match. Get luck just get on our side. We win 4-2 rather not 3-2. Win 4-2. So and God just do it for us. So our senior man Oriyomi Adeyemi for this our community. Baba just allow me to say CHUKS send me your Aza again. Let me just bless you for the things you're doing in this community. So Baba bless me with 10K. So we'll say Baba any way they see money to bless us. May God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah. Amen boss. Game out. Thanks. So William Saliba said don't come outside, come to talk for media conference, talk say this Arsenal win they say he already know. When the master say he already know say he go still come back to constantly for Arsenal. Call they tell the media people say, can't you see that Arteta trust me? You get, and because of the rumor where they go around town say Bukayo Saka don't they close to agree in the contract, he don't agree verbally, but making sign pen to paper. So the contract will be like £200,000 per week. Now Saliba said they talk say himself no one come up for Arsenal, say he would like to stay here. And all this are good news to my ears. Now which I want to hear again, because when you retain the likes of Martinez, the likes of Saka, the likes of Saliba, Gabriel Magalhaes, and you still get some other people in their contract still they far before it will expire, it shows intent. It shows you want to win things. Unlike in the past episode, we don't groom this kind of crop of players. One Baba Alaye from Man City will just come. Give me that one. You just carry Fabregas. Give me Nasri. You just carry. Give me Clichy. Give me Sagna. You just carry everybody. We can start from square one again. Got the build. So I just they happy with what they happen now. Even though Tavares no they left out, but they thought say everybody know I have 2 years at Arsenal. Say let's see how it goes. I won't talk much. Indirectly, Baba they talk say he go back to Arsenal because he know they run him out since say telling agents we then put a buyout clause, put a sell-on clause, make Marcel pay for it, this and that. But now it don't they come to reality say now Arsenal still gets you go to talk anyhow. Oh, if you come back, you go see anyhow. Even say if they come back, you ain't want play again. Don't forget say they buy some kind of people. Once they buy Ivan Fresneda, you get so this Tavares, only God know whether he won't get future for here, or less maybe they will loan him out up and down. So what do you decide they go share? We are enter match of the day, Leicester City versus Arsenal. So today, Leicester go host Arsenal for the King Power Stadium. We are more run check their head to head. But the last 5 games for here, Arsenal win 2 and lose 3. See, last season we win them 2-0 for here. So my dear football lovers, this match today it go be very very tough. It not go be very very easy because on paper yes we are a better side, but we know football is not played on paper. So now 11 men on the field of play, and if we go dull ourselves, they get some kind of players who will change the match. You don't forget say Leicester they get Jamie Vardy, they get this Yuri Tillemans, so they always also one side. They still get Barnes, they still get Nacho, they get players we change match at any time. So I know say their keeper Schmeichel no did there again, another new keeper. At least that one I plus for. That's why they chipping goals anyhow, because that their keeper in the past they saved them. They don't go OG Nice. So we'll just watch how this match will be. For me, I'm putting my heart out there. Say okay, Arsenal will collect 3 points. We are going to win 2-0. But this Arsenal one I know now they score for fun again. So we'll just see how everything go. I don't expect Thomas Partey to play in this match. I expect him to maybe make the bench and watch how things are going. Maybe from the next match we'll go play we'll go come back. So Giorgio should be in the middle of the park. So my dear football lovers, if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.